everyone! Today we are going to cover a tutorial on how to register Air Techniques products. In the portal, the first thing that we are going to do is go to Air Techniques website, which is www.airtechniques.com. Once on this page, we are going to click on the silhouette on the right hand side. That's going to bring you to a page where we are going to enter the Air Techniques portal to register your product. Now, if you're not sure where to find the serial number, we are going to reference the help guides and click on locating product serial number. That's going to bring you to a help guide that based on the product that you have, you will be able to check where the serial number is located. Once you find your serial number, you will click on the orange button where it says Enter AT Portal. Once in this page, log in. Click on Register Products on top of the page. Click on the blue button where it says Register Your Product. And now you will enter the serial number from your unit. Click Next. Enter the installation date. You can click on Request Family Pack if you're interested in samples. Click Next. And now you are going to review the terms and conditions below. Once review it, click on I acknowledge and click Next. Enter the last filter change date. If this is the first time installing, then enter the installation date. Click Next, and now you have successfully registered your products. Thank you for watching.